Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best oscilloscopes available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Siglent oscilloscope. The system noise is also lower than similar products in the industry. It has a minimum vertical input range of 500 UV/div, an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter and a waveform capture rate of 400,000 frames per second. It also employs a 256 level intensity grading display function and a color temperature display mode not found in other models in this class. Siglent's new oscilloscopes offering supports multiple powerful triggering modes including serial bus triggering. The new design also includes a hardware coprocessor that delivers measurements quickly and accurately. The features and high performance of the SDS1000XE series cannot be matched else anywhere at this price. At number 5 we have AUKUYEE oscilloscope. The sensitivity of Q15001 has been extended in both directions and is higher and wider. It reaches 5 mV/div, 20 V/division also. This updated version can be handheld. Its display and MCU are mounted on the same board to avoid using inter-board pin headers. The analog channel is placed on a separate board that contains most user install parts so the analog and digital circuits can be better separated. It has been added the rotary encoder that makes parameter adjustment quicker and easier. The selected parameter indicator will be highlighted. At number 4 we have edipond oscilloscope. edipond EM001 digital DIY oscilloscope kit with cases and assembled finished machine. It can be used directly to avoid assembling/welding process problems and greatly save your time. The sensitivity of the EM001 has been extended both in width and height, which is wider and higher than the others. This updated digital oscilloscope can be handheld, while the others can only be used by placing it on the desktop. It has been added the rotary encoder that makes parameter adjustment more quicker and easier. Number 3 we have digilight oscilloscope. The Analog Discovery 2 is a multi-instrument test and measurement device that enables engineers to measure, visualize, simulate and analyze mixed signal circuits of all kinds. With a mixed signal mixed domain oscilloscope, and 16-channel logic analyzer and protocol analyzer. The Analog Discovery 2 provides an entire benchtop of instruments in one portable device. These probes provide a secure connection to the circuit under test with 1x or 10x attenuation. These attach to the Analog Discovery's flywires and are perfect for grabbing onto small components and connections to work with a wide variety of existing circuits. At number 2 we have an oscilloscope. It has lightweight and portable design and easy to carry. With USB 2.0 interface, it can be powered over USB connection plug and play. With dual-channel input design, 25 MHz bandwidth, 100 ms/s sampling rate, 5K memory depth and sensitivity up to 5 MV. The motor isolation function can keep your computer and equipment safer in the event of a transient shock. It can be used in electronic circuit testing, circuit functional testing, design and manufacturing testing. At number 1 we have Loto oscilloscope. The system noise is also lower than similar products in the industry. It has a minimum vertical input range of 500 UV/div, an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter and a waveform capture rate of 400,000 frames per second. It also employs a 256 level intensity grading display function and a color temperature display mode not found in other models in this class. This ensures the accuracy of measurements while the math coprocessor decreases measurement time and increases ease of use. This provides wonderful remote troubleshooting and monitoring capabilities. The webpage has PC and mobile styles that include an embedded virtual control panel. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best oscilloscopes for your need.